Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, front-wheel drive. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.